All right, Caps Ninja, Sensei Lance here again today, here at the Caps Dojo, to introduce you to another piece of equipment that we use to help develop our self-defense and our martial arts skills. And this is a great one here too. We're going to be using the striking mannequin today. And I love these, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory on why I like this. Because unlike the punching bag, which I love the punching bag is one of my favorites. This item right here has more distinguished features, okay? It's more accurate to what a human being is going to look like when they attack you, okay? And I really like it because from here, I highly recommend this piece of equipment because not only can I hit it super hard, but I got these areas I can strike. I can practice my strikes to the neck. Okay, I can practice my strikes to the eyes. Or if I'm aiming for the nose with my punch, boom, I can make sure that it's hitting that area. And of course, when I coach the fight team where I'm at, from here, we like to hit the chin, or as they call it, the button. So I come here, and I can make sure I'm hitting that chin, or the temple is a great spot too, okay? So this is one of those great tools, and of course, you know, it's got a nice solid body. I can strike nice and hard, okay? But I can work on accuracy and the realism of striking those points that I'm aiming for in a real life self-defense situation. Boom, the eyes, the neck, okay? From here, the side of the neck. Boom, I can come across with a palm strike here to the ear, bang, to the palm strike to the face, okay? I can also work on going to the body, and then coming out, to the face. All kinds of different options here that I can work on. Now, I know what some people are thinking right now, okay? These things cost somewhere between $250 to $350, okay? And that's a lot of money to invest at first. I'll tell you something that we found for working on striking vital points that I really like. A lot of times, you can go to your local craft store in your area, and they have these mannequin heads for practicing different arts and crafts things with. And this is fantastic also. This cost me about $5, okay? Which, if you look at the prices, $5 is a lot more affordable. So you can go out and you can get one of these mannequin heads. And you probably recognize it from the Sand in the Eyes challenge. Of course, we practice teaching the young people when they're up against people a lot larger to throw sand in their eyes, or throw dirt in their eyes or something like that. You can see where we practice that on here to make sure we were getting it in the eyes. So that's another good thing. But from here, you can practice your hammer fist to the nose, poking to the eye. You can have a parent or an adult or a parental figure holding this, and you can practice your eye gouges. You can practice your hammer fist to the nose, palm strike to the nose, slapping of the ears. Look, it has ears. It even has a little bit of a neck. Boom, you gotta watch out for their fingers. But this is a great tool for practicing. I highly, highly recommend it, okay? This is awesome. This is good, okay? It adds that realism to your training and also works on one of the most important things when you're dealing with somebody that's a lot larger than you is the accuracy of your strike. I don't have to have the hardest strike in the world. I don't have to be the biggest, baddest puncher in the world to poke somebody in the eye and cause a distraction so I can make my getaway. All right, y'all. Intro to the mannequin heads, intro to the striking mannequin. If you can, I highly recommend these training tools.